Trevor here with Kelowna BMW, and today I'm going to show you guys how to properly get comfortable using your navigation in the iDrive screen here. So this is the brand new BMW X3 M40i for 2019, but the 18s look just like this, and even the older models kind of have the same layout, just not the tile setup. So I'm going to give you guys kind of a rundown of the navigation here. Kind of show you some of the key features, some of the cool features, and yeah, so we'll start off by just putting an address in. So I already chose Vancouver, just Vancouver Center as an address. We're gonna go start guidance here.
Please proceed to the highlighted route.
And it's gonna kind of show us where to go. So if we hit route here, in route you can choose between, so you want to get there the fastest, you can choose between the fastest route, alternative route, so if there was heavy traffic you would use an alternative route, and then Eco Pro. So this is actually kind of a cool one too. Eco Pro is a route where it tries to save you some gas, so that's really cool. Route details kind of gives you some details of the route. Route flyover, now obviously that's what the flyover of the route would look like, and then general route settings, so you can see toll roads and all sorts of stuff. So that's under route. Voice instructions, you can choose to have that on or not. Traffic info, so it actually has real-time traffic info that updates every couple of minutes, I think every 5 minutes if I'm not mistaken. So along the route it actually gives you what is going on, what is stopping, what is a delay, that kind of a thing. So if we go here, it tells us Dilworth Drive and Spall, 1 kilometer light traffic with average speed moving up to 32 kilometers an hour. And then this is on the Gordon, or on the William Bennett Bridge in Kelowna, 1 kilometer of light traffic with average speed of 29 kilometers an hour. And then we'll kind of see what's going on here. So this tells you in Vancouver, 369 meters stop and go traffic with average speed of 8 kilometers an hour. So it really goes into depth in traffic info along your route of what's happening, which is kind of nice. And even if we zoom out here, you can see this is the main highway here where the green is. Yellow means that there's a bit of slow moving traffic, and then of course if you zoomed out, and maybe we can see if there was any, so you can see right up, this is touchscreen now too folks, you can see right up here it's amber, which means it's slower, and then red just kind of right in this area. So red means it's completely stopped, amber means it's almost there but not quite. So that's really cool. Map content, you can kind of see, you can show what's on the map. Weather, which is kind of cool. Satellite images, that kind of a thing. Map views, you can have your direction. I usually have perspective as my view for when I'm driving, kind of a cool perspective there. Interactive maps, so then again that's just kind of scrolling around. Another thing you can use folks is your voice command, so we'll get into that here. You can use your voice command right here, but if we kick it over to the side and we go into guidance, we can stop our route guidance. So I'm just going to do that right now and just kind of show you something here. So guidance, stop guidance. Okay, so that's there. So now we're going to go back to nav. So we're going to do enter address. So you can, up here it says you can speak an address. I'm just going to use this one. So you can speak plain language. It's really quick and easy, and speak kind of where you're going, so like a points of interest. So I'm going to say, take me to the nearest Starbucks.
Starbucks, 1500 Banks Road, Kelowna. Say yes, or select another entry from the list.
So that's really cool. You can also do a full address. So I'm gonna pull something here. I'm gonna just speak a full address here and see what it does. Take me to 1551 Granite Road, Kelowna.
1551 West Kelowna Road, West Kelowna. Say yes, or select another entry from the list.
So you can kind of see how quick and easy it is to get to places just using your voice command. We'll get into a whole voice command segment here in a bit. but it just kind of show you how it ties in with your navigation, how quick and easy it is to use. Another cool thing is, of course, scrolling in and out, zooming around. This also shows you where the nearest gas stations is, that kind of a thing. There's a chevron here, so guidance to there. So it also gives you kind of details of their phone number and that kind of a thing too. So lots of stuff happening with navigation. I'm sure I can go a little bit longer, but that's just kind of a quick rundown, and I hope this helped you guys out. Thanks a lot.